Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove loose debris and vacuum the crack area, then wipe with 70% isopropyl to remove oils. Once done, dry and use painter's tape to mark the crack ends so you know repair limits. Make sure to roughen the immediate edges with fine grit sandpaper to improve adhesion. You're doing this to create a clean, slightly abraded surface that bonding agents can grip. Next, we apply filler and reinforce the repair. You'll inject a flexible dashboard adhesive or a 2-part epoxy into the crack, pressing to avoid trapped air. For long cracks, slide a thin backing tape or mesh beneath first so the filler has internal support. Once filled, use a plastic spreader to level excess and feather edges into surrounding vinyl or plastic. Make sure to follow cure times. Heat from sunlight speeds things up, but avoid excessive heat. This creates a strong You sand the cured filler smooth using 320 to 600 grit, then clean the dust away. Next, apply texture spray or carefully use a heat texture tool to recreate the dash grain so the repair blends visually. Once texture matches, mix and spray a color-matched vinyl dye in thin layers. Let each dry before adding another. Make sure to seal with a matte UV protectant to prevent future fading. If cracking reappears, check adhesive coverage and repeat backing reinforcement as the troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.